Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox the new pen drive I got, that is the DataTraveler Exodia M from Kingston, and it's 64GB. So I got this from Amazon, so let's unbox this and see how it is. So this is the pen drive, guys. So it has a cap mechanism. You can open and close like this. So let's check out the speeds. So guys, let's plug in and check out how fast this works. So I have plugged in. So let's see if it is showing in the PC. I already plugged in, and here it is, Kingston pen drive. And let's copy something like movie I have got here. So copy, and I'm going to paste in the pen drive. So you can see the speed here. It's like more than 850 MB, and you can see, guys, okay, it's done, and it has copied on all less than 2 minutes.